discover the breathtaking beauty of Göreme National Park, Turkey. In the heart of Turkey lies Göreme National Park, an enchanting world of rock formations, fairy chimneys and cave dwellings. As we journey into this magical land, let's marvel at the iconic fairy chimneys view from the air balloons. Next, the fascinating cave dwellings and churches, remnants of the early Christian community's life. Explore the underground city of Göreme, where ancient civilizations once thrived, hidden from the world inside these labyrinthine tunnels. Experience the mesmerizing vista from Hisar Castle, the highest point in the region, offering spellbound panoramic views. As night falls, witness the whimsical spectacle of hot air balloons rising in the soft glow of dawn. Visit the Göreme National Park, where history, nature and adventure blend seamlessly in a landscape like fairy tale.